Hi, and welcome to Jags Tech World. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a hard drive from an old Imac. This is the white version, the same one that's behind me. In this video, I had already taken the 4 screws out of the bottom that hold the bezel on, plus the 2 screws that hold the cover for the RAM. So when you start watching this video, you'll see that I already take the bezel off and continue from there. Thank you. After removing the bezel, there are 2 wires to the camera and the ambient light sensor. Just have to disconnect those and the bezel will come right off. Now you'll have 8 screws to remove. It was kind of tight on this frame for my screwdriver, so I had to pry the sides out a little bit of the plastic just to get it to fit in there. As you can tell. Now we have to disconnect the cables from the LCD screen down to the motherboard at the bottom. The cable on the right hand side is held down by 2 screws, and then there is a cable on the left hand side that's plugged in all the way at the bottom. But here you can tell that I forgot about the cable on the left hand side. Luckily it's long enough that the screen can dangle out a little bit. And there's the inside of a Mac, or an iMac. Not much to them. There's a clip on the top of the hard drive that you should be able to just pry down and the hard drive will slide out, but this is the original hard drive in this old iMac. I think the plastic has hardened a lot, so I could not get it to release, so I unscrewed the screws that hold that handle in and just pulled the hard drive out from the handle. There, I pulled the temperature sensor off of the hard drive. When replacing a new hard drive in these things, you do want to connect that sensor back up, otherwise the fans will run at 100% constantly.